We've come into Taupo and we've headed straight for this dock camp. There isn't a huge amount of options for freedom camping. Some of them have closed down since COVID-19. So this spot here is a dock camp. It's called Whakaipo Bay, and you follow a dirt track down to this front paddock. And it is right on the lake, so you just access the lake straight over there, and we're going to stay here and actually leave our caravan here, and this afternoon we're going to head over to, I think it's called Jerusalem boat ramp, which is the closest boat ramp to the Mauri Carvings on the stone. So we're going to leave the caravan here, head over to that and take the boat out and go exploring on the water. So this is our first sort of touring trip on the boat. We're all really excited, and then we'll come back here and chill out here for a couple of nights, and then we'll head off. So we've left the caravan at the dock camp and we're parked up at Jerusalem Bay boat ramp, which is the closest boat ramp to the Carvings, and Jamie and Dave are working hard at pumping up the boat. So it is a bit choppy out there, cold and windy, but we're going to give it a crack because you never know what the weather's going to be doing tomorrow.
Still not like enough. There's still not enough air on it.
So Dave timed it, and between the two of them they got the boat set up in 10 minutes. And that was with a bit of fluffing around, so that was pretty good.
We didn't run out of fuel.
Woohoo!
It was a lot further than I thought it was.
Yep.
So just around the corner is actually quite far.
About 4 bays.
So make sure you got like a full tank next time you go out.
Yeah.
So you're not worried about running out of fuel in choppy conditions.
But it was really good. We all got wet and the kids really loved it, and it was well worth the effort because it was a pretty...
It's like glass over
yeah,
there.
I mean, you can see from the images we got, it just went so calm while we were there. It was quiet, and we were so surprised. There were extra carvings up along the side there. It was just beautiful. So we've just come into the Spa Thermal Park, and it's a free recreational area within Taupo. It's just on the outskirts of it, and you'll see behind me that there is a huge pump track. So the kids have had a little play on that while we've had some lunch, and now we're all set to go for a bike ride. So we're going to bike ride down to the main area and hopefully go and find some thermal springs.
Go, Mumsy. Use your back brakes. Your back brakes. Go. Coming to your right. Hold on. Whoa, drifty. Come on, Nitrous, man, you're killing the spot.
Huka Falls. The kids are already there. I'm going to run to them now. Good morning from windy Gisborne.